Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to install Java on your machine. Okay, how to install Java development kit and IDE on your laptop. So to install Java development kit and IDE on your laptop, first of all you have to go to Oracle official site. Okay, first of all open Oracle Java downloads. From this website you have to open the proper link. Don't click on other links. Click on the first link, Java downloads Oracle. So official site of Oracle will load. Then from this official site you can see Java 17 available and you can download from here. So please check which Windows version you are using. If you are using Windows operating system, then download from Windows operating system. If you are using Mac, then download from Mac OS. If you're using Linux, you download from Linux. Okay. Since I am using Windows operating system, so I'll download from Windows. So download the latest JDK which is compatible with your device. Since my device is 64 operating system, I'll download from here. And since I already have Java development kit in my laptop, I am not downloading this one. Okay. So after downloading JDK, you have to install the JDK on your system. So to install the JDK, first of all, you have to go to downloads. Here you will get your JDK. Then you just have to double click on the JDK. So some pop-up will be showing. You click on yes. Then it will download the JDK, right? I'm not downloading since I already have JDK on my system. After the JDK is installed on your system, you have to download the IDE. They are integrated development environment. Without the IDE, you cannot execute your programs. You cannot write your code. Okay, so you definitely have to download any of the IDE. There are different IDEs in the market, such as Eclipse IDE, then IntelliJ, VS Code, then NetBeans. You can download whatever IDE you need and which one you find comfortable according to your usage. I have used IntelliJ, Eclipse, VS Code, all the three IDs, but right now I am using Visual Studio Code, as you can see here. So I'll show you the interface of the Visual Studio Code. It will take some time. It's a bit slow in my system. Okay, first of all, let me show you how to install the IDE. It's a simple process. You just have to search for Eclipse IDE. So it will open different web pages. So first of all, you have to click on the first web page, Eclipse download the Eclipse Foundation. From here, you have to download the IDE. So as you can see, get Eclipse IDE, download packages. So you have to click on download packages. And you can click on Eclipse IDE for Java developers, Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java and web developers, Eclipse IDE for C, C++ developers, Eclipse IDE for Eclipse committers. But we need only Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So we'll click on this one, and it will automatically download Eclipse IDE for us. Okay, so from here you can download. I'm not downloading since I already have this one installed in my system. So after you download the IDE, now let me show you the VS Code download. Okay, if you want to download VS Code, then you just have to type VS Code. You can click on the link and you can download Windows for Windows, then for Linux, for Mac. Which one you have to download from here. If you click, it will download. As you can see, it is downloading. But I'll cancel this one since I already have downloaded this VS Code. So after downloading VS Code, you have to install it. Same applies to Eclipse as well. You have to install after downloading, right? See, if you double click on this option, it will ask for installation. Okay. So right now we have downloaded JDK and IDE, right? So next we have to set up the environment variables, because without setting up environment variables, you cannot run or compile any Java programs. Okay. So how to set up the environment variables? For setting up environment variables, first of all, you have to go right click on this PC. You have to go to properties. You have to go to advanced system settings, and you have to click on environment variables. Here you have to enter the path of your file location where you have downloaded your JDK. As you can see, I have provided the path here: Java home, C program files, Java JDK. In your case, you have to click on new, and you have to enter the variable name and the variable value. So variable name will be Java home, and variable value will be the path. So how you will decide the path? Find out the location where you have downloaded the JDK. For me, it is downloaded in C drive, program files, Java, JDK. Okay. So you have to copy this path. After copy is complete, you have to open environment variables. Okay. Here you have to paste the path. Right? Then click on OK. and your Java is successfully installed on your system, and you can verify this one. Okay, if Java is installed on your laptop or not. How can you verify? Just open your command prompt and enter Java. Okay, so this kind of list will be showing up, or you can also enter Java version. This will show the Java version that is installed on your laptop. Okay. Oh, sorry. So let me show you the interface of the IDE. So this is the VS Code IDE. Here we have Java projects. Okay. So as you can see, I have created different packages and classes. It has very smooth operation. As you can see the classes, it has a hassle-free experience. And here I am not promoting VS Code. I'm just simply telling about the experience. Yeah, so that's all about this video. If you have any queries or doubts, please post them in the comment section and I'll reply them. And if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching the video.